Alright, let's work on this. This will be what I finish my day with. Alright, so we started taking this apart a little while ago. And I thought I had some Hall effect joysticks here, and I didn't. All I had was the standard rubber spring joysticks. So, let me go grab those and we can do a quick comparison here. They're very similar. Just like looking at them, I have to straighten out pins and stuff here. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel. You can definitely, when you're moving them, like you can feel a difference. These will need calibration. It's not gonna be manual, but they will need calibration. But yeah, these, like, they feel like so much smoother. Yeah, I do know that after I do this, like, there is calibration that will be required. Yeah, they definitely just feel a lot smoother. So that's a big thing. Put those in there. And this one, or this right now is suffering from stick drift, so let's get it apart. Get this stuff soldered, and that's what we're gonna, like I said, that's how we're gonna end the day here. I do have a couple other computers to do here. Will you move number 18 to my desk? I have to finish that tomorrow as well. That computer that kid took apart after it did a Windows update. Alright. So now we get to have the fun of removing these guys again. This is like the most awkward thing to pull off of here, is these... Like, you gotta get a good grip and you gotta be, like, somewhat violent with it to actually get it to release without breaking. Alright, so there's the one screw that's under the battery, and then once we get that screw out, we have 2 screws on each side. That need to come out. And if I remember right, we're going to have to actually do some desoldering to even get this removed from the board. Let's see here. Start pulling out some soldering stuff, because I don't think I'm going to, like, this stuff is thin enough that I don't think I'm going to be using a hot air station on it. Not this time. Alright, so now, get that front panel off. And we're going to have more screws to take off. So these will have to get re-hooked up. Yeah. A little bit smaller on this. 2 smaller little Torx screws. Security E-Torx. Security Torx. I know this comes out. This is a separate little unit. Okay, start backing that out. So, yeah, the triggers have to come out. So there's it's the audio jack. That. Oh. Lift. There we go. Out. Yeah, I'm really worried about this cable. This cable might need to be replaced. Doesn't look good. Looks like it was pinched in manufacturing. So we'll see here. So because this is what we're looking for. I'm going to get that under the microscope if that cable is completely thrashed. I'm not sure where I'm going to get cable this thin. I don't have any here. Just desolder these two right here. But yeah, this is what I'm talking about. It looks like it's barely holding on. So black is in the back. Silver's on the front. Same thing on this side, black on the bottom. So, we have those wires disconnected. Before I dive into this, put these wires back where they go. This is my... I don't think there's anything other than... There's still a little bit there. Electrical tape and it'll be fine, right? Yeah, we'll just put some electrical tape on it and it'll be a-okay. Let's get these tucked back in. So I'll have to test it, and if it is a problem, then I'll order that wire. Because I don't have any wire this thin, so I'll just order some nice thin. Some thin wireage. Okay. Let's get down here. Alright, so, looking at the bottom of this, we're going to have... We have 3 and 3, so we are looking at, this is going to be like this. 1, 2. So all of these have to come off. And looking at this, I might hit this with hot air. We'll see. We will see. See how long it takes for the other side of this board to get hot. Yep, it's already getting uncomfortable for me to hold. I don't think it's going to work. I'm going to have to do this because where the other one is, I'm not going to be able to do that. So let's do this the old-fashioned way. I need my hands for this. I don't want this thing bouncing around, so we're going to use the world's cheapest. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. The world's cheapest set of helping hands. And I just need to be able to hold. Well, it's out. I think I'm going to have to use my solder sucker on this to get that all out. Alright, let's get this thing up in the air and get it held on there and get all these holes sucked. Okay. That's in there. So hope it works. Jeez. This. Why? Why? Figure out how I'm gonna do these. I don't want to use a heat gun, not after what happened last time. Especially on a board, part of the board that's much thinner. Let's just start off by fluxing 530. Yeah, it is. Just flux these things up, and then we're gonna add low melt. See how long this takes. Oh, that was aggravating. Okay. All right. I promise we will pick this up tomorrow. First thing.
The next day.
So, let's pick this up from last night. We got a bunch of stuff to do today, so we're going to stay on top of things. So last night I was working on desoldering all of these. We got this removed from the board, and when we got it removed from the board, we put a little bit too much heat in one side of the board. So hopefully this will go back together, because we got a lot of attaching to do. What is going on? Because we have to reattach the motors and the triggers. So, what we're going to do, we're going to continue what we're doing. Just going to put a little bit of flux. Actually going to let my flux flow a little bit better this morning. So, we did a pretty good job with this. We're just gonna clean it all up. Spray it down. Alright, that's cleaned up. And get rid of this thing that's always in the way. Okay. These are all effects on there. Next, we need to reattach these guys. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.